This video is for educational purposes and does not constitute any financial advice. Do your own research before investing in any crypto investment projects. The emergence of NFTs, how non-fungible tokens are revolutionizing the art and gaming industries. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are a type of digital asset that are becoming increasingly popular in the art and gaming industries. NFTs are unique digital assets that are stored on a blockchain, making them verifiable and difficult to duplicate. In this video, we will explore the emergence of NFTs and how they are revolutionizing the art and gaming industries. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Part 1. Understanding NFTs. NFTs are digital assets that are unique and cannot be replicated. They are stored on a blockchain, which provides a secure and verifiable record of ownership. NFTs can be used to represent a wide range of assets, including art, music, videos, and virtual real estate. Each NFT has a unique identifier that is stored on the blockchain, which allows it to be easily transferred and tracked. Part 2. NFTs in the art industry. NFTs are having a significant impact on the art industry as they are allowing artists to monetize their digital artwork in new and innovative ways. NFTs provide a way for artists to sell their digital artwork as unique, one-of-a-kind pieces, rather than as easily replicable digital files. This has opened up new revenue streams for artists and has also created a new market for collectors of digital art. Part 3. NFTs in the gaming industry. NFTs are also having a significant impact on the gaming industry, as they are allowing gamers to own and trade unique in-game items. NFTs can be used to represent virtual assets such as weapons, armor, and other in-game items. This has created a new market for collectors of virtual items and has also created new revenue streams for game developers. Part 4. Implications of NFTs. The emergence of NFTs has significant implications for the art and gaming industries, as well as for the broader economy. NFTs are providing new ways for artists and gamers to monetize their digital creations, and they are also creating new markets for collectors of digital assets. However, there are also concerns about the environmental impact of NFTs, as the blockchain technology used to store them requires significant amounts of energy. Conclusion. In conclusion, NFTs are a type of digital asset that are stored on a blockchain and are becoming increasingly popular in the art and gaming industries. NFTs are providing new ways for artists and gamers to monetize their digital creations, and they are also creating new markets for collectors of digital assets. However, there are also concerns about the environmental impact of NFTs, and it will be important to address these concerns as the use of NFTs continues to grow. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching.